Here's how to get the most out of and use the Creator Engines email snippet generator. Check it out. All you got to do is add 3 offers, a course, a community, and a service. You could add those 3. The way that this is going to work is it's going to display one of those 3 offers with one of the 3 associated testimonials per offer, and it will randomly assemble that so that you have fresh offers, fresh CTAs in your emails in Kit. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and how to add it to your Kit. So I've got a productivity course here with the name, subtitle, description, a button label, a URL to an image, and I've added 3 testimonials here for this specific offer. So I've done that. I've done it also for the mindfulness guide and the business growth kit. Once I've done that, I can add brand colors for the button and the button text color. Then I'm going to click generate my snippet. It's going to ask for your name and your email so that we can follow up with you, show you how to get the most out of your kit using Creator Engines. Then it's going to give you your email snippet, a preview, and a pre-designed template that you can do to add to your kit. We have the 3 offers, and you can go through and see the 3 offers. Plus you can see the 3 testimonials. There's a broken image there, I'll fix that. There's 3 testimonials for this offer. There's 2 testimonials for this offer, and there are 3 testimonials for this offer. Now, if I wanted to edit, I can go here and update the snippet. It'll take me back. I can go through and I can update that snippet. So you can see it's updated the live preview and the email snippet code. I'm going to copy that code, go straight to Kit, and I just have a simple email here, / and type HTML, and that'll give me an HTML block. Paste that code, click save, and now when I preview this, it will show that dynamic card. And if I refresh, there's a new offer with a new testimonial. And so we have 3 offers with 3 testimonials each. So there's a lot of variations in how this will display. So if somebody opens up your email and you send this to your entire list, all of those offers will be displayed at random. So your offer is always fresh, or you can add it as a snippet. So if I go / snippet, inline snippet, call it whatever you want, and then paste that code as the content, save. If I preview, it will work. Also, the code and the snippet will morph to whatever template you're using. So if I am using the template that I showed you, and I went to the copy and paste your liquid code here, or I could use that snippet that I just created. If I preview this, it's going to change its style a little bit, the typography, to your email template. You can see it's using different font now because it's going to revert to whatever the email template is using. New offer, new testimonial. So it keeps it very fresh. One last thing you can do is add it to an email template. So let's say you have an email template that you regularly use. Let's say, for example, like this template right here. What I'll do is just use that snippet. I'll add it. And now it's going to be there if I use that template. Here it is. You could see the snippet already added. And there it is, looking really good. It's responsive. It looks good on all devices and browsers. And if you want to update it, you can either just go to the snippet code and tweak some things, or you can go back to the snippet generator and create a new one, copy that code, add it back to that snippet, and it will update. Or the alternative is just work with us. And if you want us to build a much more robust creator engine that knows who is reading and sends the right message at the right time, and we map out all your visual automations and completely transform your kit in either 1 day or 1 week, then reach out to us and we can help you out. All right. Hope this helps. Cheers.